If you've been keeping an eye on AI-powered coding tools, you've probably seen the buzz around Windsurf, the new IDE built for the AI-first development experience. But is it actually better than your current setup, or just another hype product? Let's break it down. Windsurf is a next-generation code editor that combines the speed and familiarity of traditional IDEs with deeply integrated AI assistance. It's built by Codeium, the team behind one of the most popular AI code completion tools. In this review, I'll cover what makes Windsurf different, its pricing, the pros, the cons, and whether it's worth making the switch. Windsurf is designed to be AI native from the ground up, not just an IDE with an AI plugin bolted on. Here's what you get: deep AI integration, context-aware suggestions, inline completions, and natural language prompts that can generate or refactor entire code blocks. Ask the AI anything, explain bugs, request documentation, or generate tests directly in your workflow. Multi-language support works across dozens of programming languages, with strong support for Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, Go, C++, and more. Cross-platform IDE, available for Windows, macOS, and Linux with a fast, lightweight interface. Project-wide understanding. The AI considers your entire codebase, not just the current file, when making suggestions. Built-in collaboration. Share code contexts and AI chats with teammates without leaving the editor. Powered by multiple models. Uses high-quality AI models under the hood to improve accuracy and adapt to different coding tasks. Pricing and plans. Free, $0 per month. 25 prompt credits. All premium models. Pro, $15 per month. 500 credits. SWE1 model. Teams, $30 per month. Pro features plus admin tools. Priority support. SSO. Enterprise, $60 per month. 1,000 credits. RBAC, top-tier support. What users love. AI-first experience. Feels like AI is part of the IDE's DNA, not an add-on. Fast and lightweight, starts up quickly and runs smoothly compared to some heavier IDEs. High-quality suggestions, often more context-aware than standard AI coding assistants. Great for debugging and refactoring. AI can explain issues and suggest cleaner solutions instantly. Cross-platform support, works well on all major operating systems. Where it falls short, still new, fewer integrations and extensions compared to VS Code or JetBrains. Learning curve, some features require adjusting how you work to get the most out of AI. Free plan limits. Power users may hit context and speed limits without upgrading. Evolving product. Rapid updates mean occasional bugs or interface changes. Windsurf is one of the most exciting AI-native coding environments available right now. If you want a fast, modern IDE with AI deeply woven into every step of development, it's definitely worth a try, especially since the free plan is generous. However, if your workflow depends on a huge ecosystem of extensions and plugins, you may want to keep your main IDE and experiment with Windsurf on side projects first. If this review helped you, hit like, tap subscribe. See you in the next one.